let's get to it. To start off, we're going to go to Options, Set PGPC Interface. Going to wait for it to load. Once it loads, we're going to set it to PC Adapter MPI. You're going to hit OK. Then we're going to go to PLC, Upload Station to PG. The slot is either going to be 0 or 2, depending on how the system is. After that, we're going to hit View. So I apologize if my mouse clicks are loud. I'm using the mic built into my laptop. After that, we're going to click Accessible Nodes, CPU 312C. We're going to click OK. Now, the majority of the time that you're working with these, there's not going to be any comments. There's going to be no data, nothing for you to go on. So you will have to make your own comments. That being said, we're going to come over to the side here. We're going to go see CPU 312C programs. Then we're going to go to blocks. There's only 2 blocks in here. Look at that. Now we want to get into the function call. We're going to double click it and wait for it to load. There's no parameter, local variable names, nothing. Yeah, cool. We knew that. We knew that going into it. Now once we get in here, we're going to go to Options. It's a small program. I put this in here a while back. It ain't nothing. We're going to go to Options. Then we're going to go to Symbol Table. Once we're in Symbol Table, this is where our main job is going to come in. Because we've come into something, there is nothing in here. So we're going to go to PB_1. We're going to give it an address of I0.0. And then it's going to populate that address for us inside the program if we want it to. Typically what I do is I'll get a set of the prints from the plant I'm at, and I'll just go to the IO list and start commenting up. Some of them are going to be right, some of them are going to be wrong, some of them aren't even going to be in use, and that's all right. It's part of the job. Go to PB_2, and as I usually pick one set of IO and then just stick on that one, because it'll go all the way up to 7 and then 8, 9, and so on and so forth. I start with inputs and then I'll move on to outputs. I want to do an output. Let's say we're going to go with PL for Pilot Light 1. Come over here. We're going to type Q 0.0, and that is going to be our first output for us to label. Come over here. We're going to hit the Save button. Going to close out of our symbol editor. Now, just to prove that that worked out, where are we going into edit mode? We go into edit mode. Yeah, let's give myself a little branch, and then we're going to come over here. And now, when we come over here, we got I0.0, hit enter, push button 1. Now I'm going to need a coil. Let's use our pilot light. Maybe we'll do it. PL1, PL1, booyah. And now it's labeled, and as you can see, it's Q0.0 and I0.0, and those are 2 inputs and outputs we just put into our symbol editor. Go ahead, come up here, hit save if you really want to. There it is. That was saved. Come up here, close that out. Another way we could look at all of what's inside of the PLC is we can right-click blocks. We're going to go to reference data and display. It's going to have to rebuild it if we don't have it. Yeah, let's update it. That sounds cool, doesn't it? And then we're going to take all the cross references. Oh, you want to display this message every time in case you want to do something different next time. And hit OK. So now when we come in here, you'll notice that what we have labeled is here. Let's bring that up a little bit. Yeah, isn't that cool? There's our push button 1. There's our pilot light. All the symbols that we make will populate in this area. We could also use this to cross-reference. Let's say I want to know where push button 1 is used. It's used in function call 1. If it's used in multiple places, there's going to be a little thing where you can hit the plus button. That will give you a little takedown menu. And then here, you can cross-reference for address. Wow, look at that. There it is. Function call 1. I'm going to go there. Sometimes it won't do it. Not every time. Nope. Cool. And if you want to go to function call 1, just go to your blocks, double-click it, and then it'll open from here. This is a quick, dirty way to get around and learn how to use Step 7 or Simatic Manager. Thank you very much. Take it easy and get after it, guys and gals.